how to turn on and allow account restrictions on your Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you today how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and the first things you need to do, you have to open your Roblox like this. After this, come directly to this 3 point here, open it, and then scroll and go to your settings. So right now here on your settings, guys, you need to come directly to your privacy, and then on your privacy, as you see, you will wait until it shows you all the options in your privacy. You will come now to account restrictions, and you will allow this option by clicking right here on this place. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.